Now, these are 5 proven side hustles that you can make extra money, potentially replacing your full-time job income this year. Now, I'm not talking about filling surveys, then like MLM stuff, because I've tried those. It's kind of like the amount of time you put in is not worth it as compared to the amount of money you earn. When I was still in school, I have done those jobs before. First one, super popular right now. Some people have told me to do it, but then I have no time to commit to that. But if you like talking to people, you are very good salesman, okay? Live stream selling. Live stream selling. A lot of influencers are doing it. Even celebrities I've seen recently on TikTok, okay? A lot of them, they are doing live stream selling. You know, if you have got a cold every single day that doesn't go away, okay? This is the best inhaler, okay? Right now, only $2. Feels like aromatherapy, okay? $2. If you buy today, $1.50, I'll give you a discount, okay? Yellow card. If you can do that, live stream selling, because you can just do it at home. And if you are good enough, then a lot of companies, businesses, they are going to tell you, hey, could you come to my shop, live stream for me, sell my products? And the good thing is that you can just start from scratch. Any ordinary person can start doing it. In Singapore, we have platforms like Shopee, Lazada, TikTok selling, very popular right now too. Some people could do it on Amazon, Instagram, Facebook. If you are a trader investor on my channel, following this channel, there's no harm having an extra side income, because it will also make you more mentally stable when you are investing and trading. Now, I went to TikTok office, met a TikTok team. Back in the good old days where they used to care more about content creators, now they care more about live stream sellers, which is quite sad for me. But then, like, if you start live stream selling and it works for you, then it will work out for you. Now, second thing, because of AI, alright, now you can generate a lot of images for free, high quality images for free. Now, this side hustle has been around for a long time. Like, you create posters, planners. You might not know this, okay? Right now, there's a trend, a weird trend going on. People are going back to buying physical CDs, DVDs, books, because we are all sick and tired of AI being around everywhere. We want to own something physical. So a lot of the CD stores, who is about to go out of business for the past 10 years, suddenly saw an increase in customers buying CDs, books, physical books. So when you sell a physical poster, a lot of people are going to buy it, one of which is, well, at least they could print it in a higher quality, okay? Then the next side hustle. Now, a lot of people say AI is taking our jobs, but there are opportunities, hidden opportunities, okay? So you gotta take advantage of this hidden opportunity. With AI being around, with everything being virtual, like events, there are so many virtual events, then webinars instead of physical seminars. People are dying for face-to-face human contact. People now want to experience the real thing. I don't want to sit in front of a computer or look at my phone the whole entire day to listen to you talk. And because AI is making more and more people feeling lonely, despite the fact that there's AI companions, okay? But at the end of the day, you know it's fake, okay? It's fake as shit. So companion services, do you know that you can get hired as a friend? Do you know that you can actually rent a friend? Like rent a boyfriend, girlfriend for Chinese New Year just to impress your relatives who forever won't be impressed? If you're not into that, then you can offer your services as a personal tutor or a coach. I've worked as a swim coach back in my school days, okay? Right now you can earn $100 per hour as a swim coach, and all you do is just sit there and tell your student what to do. Just sit there. Then $100 just like that. If back in high school, university, you are good in math, become a personal math tutor. Earns so well nowadays, $50 to $100 per hour, and it gives you a lot of satisfaction when you teach people and help others improve. Then the next trend that is expanding because of AI, okay? Blue collar jobs, skills. If you are good with electrical work, plumbing work, okay, that field is growing tremendously. Even Gen Z, okay, a lot of Gen Z, they are not going to school anymore. They are going straight into those trade skills. Why would you want to go to university and then accumulate student debt only to come out, graduate, cannot find a job? Even if you can find a job, it's not related to what you studied. So basically, home services, lawn mowing. Now, if those are not your cup of tea, you could do something that I would personally consider, and that is pet sitting. Like, you love dogs, cats, but you don't have the time to take care of them. Get paid to take care of other people's dogs and cats. If I have the time, I would do it, man. I would do it. If you like children, babies, babysitting, nowadays a lot of moms and dads, this is another trend going on, have to take up 2 to 3 jobs just to keep up with life expenses. Because nowadays, one salary is not enough. So that's where you come in and help them make their life easier. And of course, one bonus side hustle that gives you regular income every single quarter, sometimes every single month, without you having to touch your computer or do much. Dividend investing. Dividend investing. Imagine just turning on your laptop computer every day. Ding! Dividend payment credited to your account. If you want to learn dividend investing, let me know. I can do a full course here on YouTube. Subscribe if you don't want to miss out. If you don't know how to start investing, I have a video that I've made to help you get started. And with that, I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.